channel once again. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you two famous eateries of Belgaum. One is Srinath Vada Pav Center and the other one is Sheetal Raswanti Graha. Along with this, I'll be showing you some other eateries also. These all stalls are in and around Bhagyanagar and Tilakwadi area. Amidst the busy street of Deshmukh Road, Tilakwadi, Belagavi, a modest yet inviting eatery stands out. That is Srinath Vada Pav Center, also known as Nath Vada Pav Center. Vada Pav means first where what we remember is Nath's Vada Pav.
Number one.
They serve Vada Pav which is very spicy and
Tasty.
very jhajjani.
Yeah.
It's a very old eatery. I've been coming here since my college days. You get the best Vada Pav here.
Hello, namaskar. मी सतीश चंद्रकांत कांबळे, श्रीनाथ वडापाव सेंटर आणि 1985 पासून आम्ही आहे. वडापाव, उसाचा रस, मिसळ, पावभाजी प्रसिद्ध आहे. देशमुख रोड आरपीडी कॉर्नरपासून खालती या कधी पण आला तर वडापाव खायला. फेमस वडापाव, कटवडा, मिसळ. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद.
They have one more branch which is near First Gate. Even their masala pav and cut vada with pav is very nice. My personal favorite is vada pav from here.
Very nice.
Very
Spicy
spicy, jhanjane. Mast it is. At a distance of maybe 200 meters from First Gate on Congress Road, there is an outlet known as Sheetal Raswanti Graha. It is renowned for its authentic traditional snack that is alipap and sugarcane juice. We are here at Sheetal Raswanti Graha. This is the beautiful interior of Sheetal Raswanti Graha. Alipak is their signature dish. It is the savory snack which is available in two different variations. One is the perched rice based alipak or the poha alipak, and the other one is groundnut based alipak. It's served along with spiced putane laddu, which acts as an extra taste maker. This is made from putana. You have to crush it, add on this, mix it, and eat it. This contains poha, chirmure, shengdane, and fresh coconut. This what you're seeing is the shengdane alipak or the groundnut based alipak. Very nice combination with a glass of sugarcane juice. As you start eating, you can feel the different flavors bursting inside your mouth, tingling your taste buds. And the way to eat this is little of this and one sip of alipak and sugarcane juice makes an amazing combination, like they are made for each other. This is the process of making alipak. Firstly, a lot of groundnuts is added, freshly cleaned groundnuts. Then on the green chilies and their secret spice. Everything is mixed finely. Generously adding coriander leaves and shredded coconut. When this is served with a glass of sugarcane juice,
And even you can feel the aroma of it.
yeah, we can feel it. When this is served with a glass of sugarcane juice, it tastes heavenly. Thanks to Nilesh for showing us this process of making alepak.
This is ready.
This is one variety of alepak, the other one is with the poha. It is said that two culinary delights have originated in the city of Belagavi. One is alepak and the other one is kunda. This
I'm
originated.
sure that this is original from Belgaum, and I can proudly say this is the monopoly of Belgaum or ours. So we have one tagline.
Yeah.
So आमची ओळख बेळगावची.
Okay.
Like this.
This alepak is available only in Belgaum, that also in Sheetal Raswanti Graha. Local people visit this place very often. If you are a tourist to this place, then I think you should visit this place at least once so that you can enjoy the beautiful ambience along with the taste of traditional flavors and a glimpse into the city's culinary delight. As you move from first gate towards Goa Ways, you come across this outlet known as Tarri Misal Cafe, where you get the best tandoori misal. You're welcome to the Misal Cafe known as Tarri. And she's the owner of Tarri Misal. Extra tarri will be given here. This new hotel is open near 6th Cross, Bhagyanagar, where you get all kind of South Indian dishes. We had ordered for a tatte idli and uttappa. The taste was quite good. Recently, during our evening walk, we saw a young gentleman selling Kolhapuri Zanzanit Misal Pav on his food truck near Gopte College. Then we thought of trying it. The platform inside the truck and the utensils were very clean. Hygiene was maintained very well. altogether, the missile and the jaggery tea was nice.
Hi, myself Aparna Kulkarni. I sell here dhokla, idli, appe. Only for 1.5 hours, just I'm doing it for fun. Thank you. Today I've got dhokla.
It's almost over.
It's
like,
almost
no?
over. Yeah. I have today only 5 plates left. In total, I got like approximately 25 plates,
Huh.
and it's just 5 plates left.
Oh.
Thank you. Do this stall from 7:30 to 9:30. It is located at Nathpai's Garden. It is in front of Nathpai Garden.
And this is our regular location where we
Yeah,
come
yeah.
for a walk, Nathpai
Yes.
Garden.
Sure.
We even visited this tea stall, which is in front of RPD College. Here, we asked for masala tea, but it was over. So then we took butterscotch flavored tea and vanilla flavored coffee. This is all in this video. If you like the vlog, please like, share and subscribe.